Hey guys, Revell here with the Revell models. And it's been a while since I've done a video at my own house. I typically do this at my grandmother's house. But I have an update. It's been a while since I've done an update on this. The P51. I had it ready for an update about this time last year. Just after I did the inbox review. I had basically gotten the cockpit all painted up and stuff. But while doing work on the seat, it went flying across the room, and I hadn't seen it. Well, I found it underneath my bed just a few weeks ago. It was sitting under my bed, which I find surprising, along with a bunch of other stuff that went missing. Which I find surprising, given that my bed is a mattress sitting on the floor. Mainly because a normal bed would be a nightmare getting in and out of where it is. It's just behind that little cove. Yeah, there's a laundry basket on it, but that's my bed. So being in an actual bed would make it a lot harder to get in and out of the bed there. So just a mattress on the ground is fine with me. But it kind of had a slight issue there. But anyways, getting on topic here with the P51, I found it. It's glued on there. Now, that's the... Sorry about the camera. The camera on my phone is not very good. Let's see if I can get it to focus. No, it's not going to focus really well. But there's the instrument panel. There's the seat belts. Painted up the radio. Got the little switches on the radio. And I love this kit. One of the great things I like about this kit is they do get the fact that the instrument panel and the stick, the yoke, come up through the floor because they're actually attached to the wing spars, which is really cool. I got like the air hose painted up and some weathering done in here by like paint chips, that type of stuff. The radio painted up and all the dials done on that. And we have the trim wheel and all the throttles and levers on this side. Before you close it up, you put the exhausts in. I think there's something else that you're supposed to put in here too. I'm going to try getting this as opened up as possible. And it would be like, I'm probably going to put that side by side by the P40 that I just bought. For Christmas every year, my grandparents, they don't really know what to get me sometimes, so they give me some money. And I went down to the model shop for New Year's because they had a New Year's sale, 20% off. And I got the Bronco 148 scale P40 Flying Tigers. And it comes with the engine detail and highly detailed cockpit. Which a lot of people on the internet, I noticed, were complaining about the cockpit floor not being curved. That's such a small detail to worry about a model kit not having. The thing I am more worried about is, in order to have the engine displayed, the top part of the cowling, it goes from the spinner to right up to the instrument panel, and you can't get the windscreen on. So that's going to be a slight problem there. It'll be interesting on seeing how I get that fixed. But yeah, this has been an update on the P51d. I am not doing Big Beautiful Doll, as the Big Beautiful Doll would be a nightmare decaling, especially with the bottom part being gone. And I've done Big Beautiful Doll about twice now. So I'm going to be doing, I think it's Gunslinger Express. So let me check here. I've barely even gotten into the kit, by the way. Given that I shot the thing across. No, it's Miss Merlin 2. So it's gonna have, it looks like a green spinner. I'm not too sure. I think it's supposed to be green with a yellow line on it, and it's supposed to have like a curve going down there with olive drab. So like here's gonna be olive drab, and then it comes down, kind of curves there, and then anywhere forward of that, and the wings are going to be silver. And it has a yellow rudder, and it looks like that's the only colorations. It's gonna have like red and yellow checkerboarding. It looks like orange on the nose as well. But yeah, that's gonna be a fun little build. I can't wait to show you guys more of it. And as always, model on.